Another thing, when the wind blows, the Prophet ﷺ would make dua at that time. Allahumma inni as'aluka khayraha wa khayra ma fiha wa khayra ma ursilat bih. That, oh Allah, I ask you for its goodness, the goodness that is in it and the goodness that it was sent with. وَأَعُوذُ بِكَ مِنْ شَرِّهَا وَشَرِّ مَا فِيهَا وَشَرِّ مَا أُرْسِلَتْ بِهِ. And I seek refuge in you from its evil, the evil that is in it and the evil that it was sent with. Now you might say, how does the wind affect me? I am inside the house. Well, yes, it may not directly affect you, but indirectly, certainly it can affect you. How often it happens that a wind turns into a storm, or because of the wind, trees are uprooted, there's electricity outage, power outage, and because of that, heat, hydro gets affected, water gets affected, pipes in houses can burst, subhanallah. And not just that, food shortages can happen. So don't think yourself to be, too secure. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the good that is in the wind and to protect you from the evil that is in it. Sometimes it happens that when it's too windy and you're in your car, as you get out, you open the door closes on you. Right? Why? Because of the wind. And that can cause a bone to fracture. It can cause you to get seriously injured. So ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for good when the wind blows.